Okay, we have a Haas 4-axis vertical machining center, model VF2B, serial number 37231. This machine was new in 2004, and we are going to run it for you. Machine has a Haas 4th axis rotary table, HRT 210B. Okay, and we're running right now. Low range, 750. Again, this machine goes up to 10,000 RPM. And it's a 2-speed gearbox. 1500.
That's 2000.
2000. It has a 14 by 36 table with 30 inches of X travel, 16 in Y, and 20 of Z. We are changing gears to the high range. Machine also comes equipped with whips, wireless intuitive programming probing system. 3,000 RPM and going up. 4,500 RPM. 7,000. Okay, 7,000 RPM. This machine also has rigid tapping, rotation and scaling, spindle orientation, quick code, macros, high-speed machining, kitchen sink. Machine also comes equipped with, what happened? Ah, you son, I was on a roll.